Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Martin Day Trades, and I'm coming to you today to show you my trade that I took today. It was a loss, but I ended up getting in at a certain level, which I'll show you guys, a 30-minute fair value gap. And I had done a Fibonacci retracement from the London high to the London low to see where I could get in for an entry. And it wasn't the right spot. It kept going higher to the 79% fib level, middle of Asian session range, and I ended up taking an L. I risked $250 today. I took one trade first in the beginning and I got a break-even trade. I waited for the trade to go up to the Asian session low, 30-minute fair value gap, and the trade didn't play out. But I want to just tell you guys what happened today in the market. Today is January 16th, 2025. And without further ado, let's jump on OBS. Hey, welcome guys. I want to show you guys exactly what I was talking about in the intro video. So let's go ahead, turn this down and get to it. So right here was Asian session range. This is green area that overlaps with the pink area. This is the London range, and the pink area starting with this overlap to this area is the oh my bad. So this is the Asian session range, and this is the London range, and this right here is the New York range. So New York happens right at, I have my time set for New York time, so I know 9:30 is the move. You can see that at 9:30 it had to push up. As soon as price start to squeeze up, I was like, okay, well, there's this 30-minute fair value gap that I had drawn out, which is this box right there. And you can see that it's in this range right here. I was like, okay, well, at the Asian session low, which is the ASL, this range low, I got in for my short entry. And I got taken out by literal pips before it started coming down and to what I was looking for. I was looking for a TP3, would have gotten it throughout the day. So looking back and reminiscing about how I could have traded a little better, I could have waited, because I did a Fibonacci from this area to this area, and there's these retracement levels. They went straight to the 79% fib level right here, tapped it exactly, and then had the reaction down. So if I would have waited to at least the 70 wait for it to go up and then start to come down, you know, anywhere in this range, I would have definitely been well in for that 1 to 3 risk to reward setup. Now, was the trade idea wrong? No, it was. The trade idea was there. The trade idea was right. It was correct. Just my entry was off. I risked $250. The first actual trade, let's see if I can't get this. So soon as 9:30 happened, I actually got in for a trade. I just want to get this a little closer for you. Okay, I got in for a trade at this moment right here, 9:30. And it came down, TP1, I moved stop loss to break even, it came back up, stopped me out, and I waited for this moment to happen, got in for the short, and then it, wait up, I got in right there. So I got in at this moment, and then it just continued higher, wicked me out by just a little bit, right there. Asian session low is this pink line, so right about there. So I got in right there, and it took me out, and then it had the reaction downwards that I was looking for. So not a bad trade, guys. Just entry was off today. With that being said, I'm gonna go back to the 30-minute time frame. See if I can't get to it. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot. We'll go to the 15. I gotta sneeze, guys, so 1 second. Excuse me. Trade idea was there, got stopped out. I'm gonna journal this trade, copy the image, paste it, and just talk about it a little bit. The trade idea was valid. It was. I got stopped out by, let's say, 4 points. I don't know exactly, but it was very small. My entry was the 30-minute fair value gap and Asian session low. The actual sniper entry was the 79% fib level from the London bearish move. And that's it, guys. The target was essentially this. It didn't run this London low, but it got close to it throughout the day. Came back, came close. It just rained. Today was choppy. It was a doji day. If I go to this chart and I go to the daily is gonna show essentially, you know, this last day it really just ranged. There was no really significant price action. You guys can see like the days that are moving. It's one of the smaller days, you know. The move was a bearish move, but at the end of the day, it still was, you know, nothing crazy. So this is how you journal, guys. I'm gonna review this weekend, this whole week's trades. One of my friends, Kino, he's a funded trader, has been getting consistent payouts. He's looking to scale. He has 150K account. He's doing about $2,000-$3,000 a month in payouts, which I think is amazing. Because if you could do withdrawals, you could have. It doesn't matter if you have $100 account or $1 million account. You're making withdrawals, so those withdrawals would just be multiplied by the amount of his actual account size. So I'm gonna let you guys go today. Thank you for tapping in. This is Martin Day Trades. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you have a question, write it down in the comments, and make sure it's relative to trading indices. If you guys have any questions about the way I trade, what I'm looking for, I have previous videos. Go ahead, tap in, watch them, comment if you have a question, and maybe I'll be able to kind of detail a little bit more of what I'm looking for in gaps, what I'm looking for entries, the swing highs, swing lows, Asian highs, Asian lows, London highs, London lows. And this camera's bugging me, guys. I'm gonna have to definitely look to get a new camera that's not auto framing focusing, because it's interrupting my my videos here. Although it's okay, I just don't need something like that. All right, guys, stay safe, and remember, risk management is key. And don't ever go full tilt. And understand this is a long-term game. Keep your losses small, and you will thrive in this environment. You could have a 30% win rate and still be profitable. Your risk to reward has to be significantly higher, a 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5 at least, to be profitable at that win rate. But if you're winning 40% of the time, even 50% of the time, if you have a 1 to 2 win risk to reward, you're going to be profitable. This is Martin Day Trades. Follow me on Instagram, martin.daytrades, or like, comment, subscribe, and I will get back with you guys. I appreciate you. Stay safe. If you have this dream of becoming profitable in the markets, you can. It just takes one day at a time. You have to be disciplined. You have to understand, even though in the beginning stages, you have to hold yourself accountable. And that's what's going to separate you from the losing traders, or being a losing trader for a long period of time. Just understand one and done. That's a very powerful concept. If you can sit on your hands after you lose, be a good loser, a great loser, the best loser that has ever existed, you will succeed because you will cut your losses down significantly. All right, guys, that's it for today.